morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is well at home. Yes? Okay, so let's start to our today's class. Okay. So before that, let us just discuss what we had done in the previous class. Okay. So what we had studied in the previous class, we had studied about how to multiply two negative integers or one negative integer with the other positive integer, right? So we had studied about multiplication of two numbers with their with the use of sign rules. Okay, so we had made a multiplication table using the sign rules. Okay, so the multiplication table which we had made for the sign rule table which we had made for multiplication of two numbers, the same we are going to apply today also. Okay, so in today's class we are going to see about how to divide numbers with negative signs. Okay, so if we are dividing two numbers, then we will check how to divide two numbers with the same sign. Okay, whether both are positive or both are negative, then we will see how to divide numbers with negative, with only one number, either the numerator or the denominator is of a negative sign. Okay, so then how to get what will be the sign of the final answer. Okay, so the multiplication table was simple, and in today's class the division of numbers, we are going to see the same table, or we are going to use the same table. The rule is same for multiplication as well as division. Okay, so for division we have, if it is same. Okay, so the first number, if the first number is negative and the second number is also negative, then the final answer is also the final answer sign will be positive. Okay, then if the first number is negative, second number is positive, then the sign of the final answer will be negative. If first number is positive, second is negative, then the sign of the final answer will be negative. And if both are positive, then there is no issue. The sign of the final answer will be always positive. Both are positive numbers. Okay, so this is a simple rule. I say that if we are dividing two numbers with the same signs, okay, the first two signs, the numbers of both the signs of both the numbers, that is, they are either positive, negative, or they are positive. So if the two numbers have the same signs, then the sign of the answer is positive. Okay, and if even one of the number has a negative sign, then the answer will be negative. Okay, so this is a very simple rule. If both the numbers are having the same signs and if they are divided, then the sign of the answer will be positive. Or if both the numbers, if one of the two numbers is having a negative sign, then the sign of the answer will be negative. Okay, so we will see a few examples based on this rule by dividing numbers. Okay, so we are going to see how to divide numbers with negative signs. Okay, so today we are going to see exercise 1E. Okay, exercise 1E of the first chapter. Okay, so these are all division sums, because we are studying about how to divide numbers with negative signs. Okay, so these are all division sums, and first these are a few examples in which both the numbers, the numbers which we are dividing, both the numbers are having the same signs. Okay, if they are either positive or they are negative. Okay, so first we will do a few examples based on this, in which both the numbers are having the same signs, and then we will do some examples in which only one number is having a negative sign. Okay, so the first sum. In the first sum, you can see both the numbers are what? They are not having any sign. Means what? They have positive signs. Okay, they are positive numbers. So here we have to, in every sum, we are going to divide the numbers. Normally, the way we divide, only by using the sign rules, we are going to decide the sign of the final number. Okay, final answer which we get. Okay, so the first example we see, it is 6 divided by 3. Okay, so how do we write this? 6 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator. Okay, so 6 divided by 3 is how much? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, so the answer is 2. Okay, so now here you can see that both the numbers were positive. So the final answer, the sign of the final answer will also be positive. So this is a positive number. Okay, so this is the answer. Now the second example. In the second example, we can see that both the numbers 20 and 4, both the numbers are having negative signs. Okay, so how to solve this? First we will do normal division. 20 divided by 4, whatever it is. But we write the number as it is. Okay, so minus 20 divided by minus 4. So we write minus 20 divided by minus 4. So 20 divided by 4 is how much? 4 ones is 4, 4 fives is 20. Okay, so the answer of the division is 5. But here now both the numbers are having negative signs. So negative, the signs of both the numbers in the numerator as well as the denominator, the signs will get cancelled and the final answer will have a positive sign. Okay, that means when both the numbers that are getting divided have the same signs, here both are negative, so the sign of the final answer is positive. Okay, so now the next is also same. Here both the numbers 4 and 4 are getting divided and both are negative. So we write minus 4 divided by minus 4 is minus 4 by minus 4. Okay, so 4 divided by 4 is how much? 4 ones is 4, 4 ones is 4, and minus becomes plus. So the answer is plus 1. Both the numbers having the same sign, so the answer is having a positive sign. Okay, now the next one, minus 16 divided by minus 4. Here also both the numbers are negative. Okay, so first we normally divide. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Okay, so the answer is 4. Okay, and both the numbers having the same sign, which is negative, so the answer is positive. Okay, now the next, it is simple. Both are having positive signs. There is no issue regarding the positive signs. Okay, because if both the numbers are having the positive signs, then the answer will always be positive. Okay, now 8 divided by 4. How much is 8 divided by 4? 4 ones are is 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, so answer is 2 and both are positive, so the answer is also positive. Okay, now the last one, minus 15 divided by minus 5. Okay, so how much is 15 divided by 5? 5 ones are 15, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Okay, so the answer is 3 and both are negative, so the sign of the final answer is positive. Okay, so in these 6 examples which we have solved, you can see that if both the numbers, both the numbers which are getting divided are having the same sign, like in this, the first one both are positive and in the fifth one both are positive. Okay, so there also the answer, final answer is positive, and even if both the numbers are having negative signs, okay, that means all these examples, second, third, fourth and sixth, in all these examples both the numbers, the numerator as well as the denominators, were negative here. Okay, so if both the numbers are having negative signs also, the final answer is positive. You can see here both all the numbers are positive, the answers are having positive signs. Okay, so this is a trick that if both the numbers are same, if both the numbers are having the same sign, then the sign of the final answer is positive. Okay, now we will see another few examples based on if one of the two numbers is negative. Okay, so now we will see next examples which are based on if one sign is negative, if the sign of one number is negative. So in these examples you can see that every example, the numbers which are there, in every example one of the two numbers is having a negative sign. Okay, so like in the first one you can see that the first number is having a negative sign, second one, the second number is having the negative sign, here also the first is negative, here the second and the second numbers are negative. Okay, so if this is the thing that if one of the two numbers is having a negative sign, then the final answer will also be negative. Okay, So this is another trick, that if one of the two numbers is negative, then the final answer, the sign of the final answer is negative. Okay. So let's solve these examples. The first one is what? Minus 12 divided by 3. So we write minus 12 divided by 3. So first we normally divide. How we divide two numbers? 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Okay, so the answer is 4. But one of the two numbers, if one of the two numbers is negative, the answer is negative. So this answer is also negative. Okay, so now the next 16 divided by minus 4. Okay, so first we divide. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So the answer is 4, and one of the two numbers is negative, so the answer is also negative. Okay, now the next minus 4 divided by 1. So what is 4 divided by 1? 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4. So any number divided by 1 is the number itself. Okay, so the answer is again 4, and one number is negative, so the answer is also negative. Okay, now the next minus 21 divided by 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So the answer is 7, and one number is negative, so answer is negative. Now the next 10 divided by 5. So 10 divided by, minus 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So the answer is 2. And one number is negative, the denominator, even if the denominator is negative, the answer will be negative. Okay, so this answer is also negative. Now 8 divided by minus 2. 2 ones are 2, and 2 fours are 8. So this is 4, and the denominator is negative, so the answer is also negative. So here in these examples, you can see that each number is having a negative sign. Each answer is negative. That means if one of the two numbers, either the numerator or the denominator, here the numerator was negative, here the denominator was negative. So even if one, either the numerator is negative or if the denominator is also negative, then the answer will be negative. Okay, so this is the normal division, how we divide two numbers with negative signs. Okay, so this was all about today. So what we studied in today's classes, first we had a recap of the last class, in which we had done the multiplication table. Okay, so the multiplication table is, and we use the multiplication table, the sign rules of multiplication table in division also, division of two negative numbers or negative numbers also. So the rule is same, only in multiplication we are normal multiplying the two numbers, and in division we are normal dividing the two numbers. But the table which is given, that minus minus is plus, means the final answer is positive. Then minus plus is minus, plus minus is minus. That means if one of the two signs are negative, that means if two numbers are having opposite signs, then the answer is having a negative sign. Okay, and if two numbers are having the same signs, then the final answer is having a positive sign. Okay, so that was all about today. I hope everyone has understood today's class. It is just normal division of the sums, the numbers, but only you have to keep one thing in mind, the sign rule table. Okay, so that's it for today. We will meet in the next class. Okay, till then, take care students. Goodbye.